In today's video, I'm going to show you how to expand an image in Adobe Express by resizing your canvas and using the built-in expand image option to fill the new space. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure your image is already on the canvas and expanded to fill the entire page. This is important because Adobe Express will use the existing edges of the image to generate the additional area when you increase the canvas size. Next, go to the top left corner, click File, and then select Resize from the drop-down menu. In the Resize panel, enter the new width and height you want for your image. You can also change the units if needed, depending on whether you're working in pixels, inches, or another format. These dimensions determine how much new canvas space Adobe Express needs to fill. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. Once your dimensions are set, look at the bottom of the left panel and check the box labeled Expand Image. This tells Adobe Express to generate new image content instead of simply leaving extra blank space around the original image. Now choose either Duplicate and Resize or Resize. Duplicate and Resize keeps your original project unchanged and creates a resized copy, while Resize updates the current project. In this example, select Resize. You'll see an animation over the preview window and a loading indicator in the left panel. That means Adobe Express is generating the expanded parts of your image. When the generation is complete, you'll see several expanded image options in the left panel. Click through them to preview each result. If none of the options look right, select Generate More to create additional variations. Once you find the version you want, click it, then choose Keep at the bottom of the left panel to apply it to your project. And that's it. You've successfully expanded an image in Adobe Express.